This life of mine, you have it all figured out. This life of mine, you have it all worked out. This life of mine. But this life of mine is mine, not yours, it's mine. It's time for me to shine. So I'm gonna get it started. This life of mine, I'm gonna get going. This life of mine, I'm gonna get it sorted. This life of mine, because I've got a dream, I've got a dream, and I'm gonna live it. I've got a dream, I've got a dream. I'm gonna build a dream, a future, a team. I'm gonna hustle and earn lessons to learn. I'm gonna grab the sun, give me some fun, take flight, get out of sight. I'm gonna become a special someone, the type of girl who takes the lead, plants a seed that grows like an oak, burns like sunstroke different. That's what I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be somebody. I'm gonna be me. Just wait and see, because I've got a dream, I've got a dream, and I'm gonna live it. I've got a dream, I've got a dream. I've got a dream, I've got a dream, and I'm gonna live it. I've got a dream, I've got a dream. I've got a dream, and I'm gonna live it. I've got a dream, I've got a dream.